Take my money, take my money. Oh no, my money.
How do you feel about gambling?
I love it. I haven't done a backflip in like a year and a half.
So you're doing like right there?
I feel like I shouldn't.
Yes! You did it! 21 now. I'm 23 now. We did it at the same time.
Same exact minute.
The same minute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What will it be? I knew it! I needed that t-shirt! Let's go! Ah, you got that t-shirt!
What's it got me? It's a party. Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function?
You're not.
Way too funny. Way too funny.
Papa Burger. The squirrels got into it right here.
Dude, that's actually fucked. No way.
That is where the squirrels got into it.
I'm 21. Happy Thanksgiving.
Aim it at the candle.
Oh, wow.
Come on, look at the candle.
Oh, that's not the candle. Oh, I see it now.
I have just left my parents' house in Eau Claire, Wisconsin for a 15-hour drive to Bozeman, Montana, where I will be living for 5 months in Big Sky, Montana. It's gonna be long. I won't be coming back here. I will miss my family and all of my friends here. But this is gonna be a journey and experience that I have been dreaming up since I was 11 years old. So I am very excited. It is very early in the morning if you can't tell by my very squinty eyes. But here we go. I am on the road once again in 2025. And that is A-okay. All glory to God for it. Skiing, here we come. I'm in Montana now, and it's cold here too, but that is okay, because there's snow and mountains and joy and love and happiness.
Lift you right on, dude.
It snowed a bit last night. Holy crap. Everything is covered in like 2 feet. I didn't film too much of it, but I just had like the most gnarly, amazing day of skiing ever. I just couldn't be happier. I love it here so much. It's crazy. This is my 3rd winter out in Montana skiing as a ski instructor, and I'm so grateful. All glory to God for it. Well, that's my car right there. It's a little bit buried, that's for sure. Just a little bit of snow, huh? Jeez, can't even open my door.
Yes, I hate him. They're narrow, but they're...
Yeah! Samuel L. Blackson. They're nice.
Sure is.
Yes. It's for the vlog.
Last time I went there, I got the flu.
Is that why you don't like it? Because you got the flu there?
Oh shit!
He's doing it. He's doing it. Yeah. Very good. That was very impressive. I'm proud of you. Day one of on snow training, and there's like 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts. It is so windy right now.
Fuck you, Rowan.
More. Mr. Fire. Hello. Normal.
You're next! Do you know how to play this game?
Like I was saying, my life has been falling apart. But I am on Kanye West We Major type of shit. You know, like, can I talk my shit again? Kinda awesome.
My second home. Oh, how I missed Lost Trail. This place is absolutely fantastic. 2-person chairlifts. Nobody knows about it. Fresh powder. It's gonna snow 8 inches today is what the projection is. It's gonna be fun, man. I love this place. I missed it. Worked here for 2 years before I moved to Big Sky. Yeah, a lot of memories. It's gonna be a good day.
Yo.
That was fun. This is the most horrible, hectic drive I've ever been on in my life. There's like 8 inches of snow that I'm plowing through with my Honda Civic, and I've been driving for like 70 miles. I still have like 15 more miles till I get to actual highway, and hopefully it's plowed. I almost hit 2 moose. Like, a moose went right in front of my car, and I was like, oh my gosh, I think I can get past it. And then another moose came out of the ditch and almost hit my car. I slammed on the brakes and barely missed it. Like, I almost hit its back legs at like 30 miles an hour. And moose are freaking massive, by the way. Like, both of them were taller than my car. And I was just like, no, dude, not now, not here. This drive is insane. And I just want to get to the highway so bad.
nobody's here.
Yeah.
And okay, I can get that one.
Perfect.
I can write.
Motherfucker.
That's so crazy. That last video you just saw was the very first video I took in 2026, and I have vlogged my entire 2025. I've been videoing everything. I've compiled the videos, I've put them on YouTube, and that was my goal, was to vlog for an entire year of the best year of my life, which was 2025. 2025 was incredible. I did and accomplished everything I wanted to. And I feel like there's a new chapter kind of starting in my life in 2026. And because of that, I have decided to stop vlogging. And it's hard because I love it. But I have bigger plans and new things I want to tackle and try to take down. And I feel like I've accomplished vlogging to the extent of how I've done it. I'm not done making YouTube videos. I will still be releasing YouTube videos, just not in vlog form. I want them to be a little more intentional, but they will be more inconsistent. So there will be more videos on this channel, but this is the final vlog, and I'm so proud of the things I've done and videoed and the people I've met along this crazy, crazy year of 2025, and I hope you're able to go check out all the other 2025 vlogs. Big things to come in 2026. 2025 was the best year of my life, but 2026 will just be better, and then 2027 will be better than that, and we're just going to keep stacking it, and yeah, I'm very excited for what the future holds. 2026, here we come. 2, 1.
That's not on your phone.
You got snow on my phone.